Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you a city world in VRChat that allows for you to be able to drive a car. Excuse me if I get pretty stoked about this because this is a pretty fun thing, although it does give you motion sickness, so not for the faint-stomached, you know? Gives you in VR motion sickness. I'm not sure if it'll transfer out to you in the video, but shouldn't. But still, a little bit of a warning. Anyway, I will, let's get started, shall we? Whoa, a big 747. Look at that. Ugh. Hamster tubes. Oh God. Oh, I'm getting dizzy already. Oh, I'm gonna get sick. Why am I still driving this thing? Hang on a sec. I gotta see myself in this car again. Oh damn, I got a DeLorean, really? Oh, not the El Camino. Why do you have to have the El Camino behind this thing? I don't know. Rainbow Dash? What is she doing here? Ooh, motorcycle. Oh yeah, I got my Harley, man. Like my Harley? Yeah, I know you do. I know this is a very plain thing to wear for a Harley, but just saying. Ooh, RC cars. Let's see what's... Inflatable arms. Toy Story. NASA Opportunity Rover. Look at this. Oh my God! I'm driving Opportunity. Oh, good night, Oppie. Well done. Let's see what this does. Ah! This is so cool! I get to drive Opportunity. Look at this thing. Can it go in here? I hope it can. Nope, it can't. Boo. Ah! I'm riding the tram! This is hilarious! Where'd this thing even come from? Oh no, I parked in the middle of that. Yeah, it hit the car that I parked. Oopsies, sorry. Ah! I have so many, there's so much going on. This is hilarious, I love it. I'm riding a tram in VRChat. No, I'm not anymore. See ya. See ya, tram or trolley, whatever. There it goes. And pass through it. Okay. Ooh, a Chiron. And the 886 from Initial D. Well, that concludes my little video. I hope you enjoy it. Sorry I wasn't in my avatar, my regular avatar, this avatar, but in order to drive some of the cars, I need to use a bigger avatar for that. So, in any case, hope you enjoy. Anyway, see ya.